farting in your chair.
No, but she's gonna piss herself. Do it crisscross applesauce.
Ladies! No, Richard, come and try to do that. And not really what you see.
Look, it's a toxin. I like his hat.
Fine, I'll do it this way.
Oh, this should be good, SpongeBob.
I'm not talking to either one of you. I'm not quite as coordinated this way. I gotta change feet.
I didn't know you were coordinated at all. I didn't know you could change your feet.
Ladies.
You have no butt. I will have a butt in 3 days.